Well, our primary 2A class will present the assembly today.
Let's watch the story of the enormous turnip. Yes, all our hard work is paying off. Can we pick some carrots for lunch, Mom? Just a few, we need to save the rest. The family planted a tiny seed in the middle of their garden and promised to take good care of it together as a family. One sunny morning, while the family was busy in their garden, some friendly villagers walked by. For what? For sharing your vegetable with everyone. Your carrots and cabbage are always delicious. That we must have. We can't let you do it all alone. Many days passed. The little seed grew bigger and bigger under the warm sun. Every morning, the family watered, talked to it, and took care of it with love. That's me. I told you I'm growing big and strong. And wonder why we need some strong hands. Mountain of food. You've got the best garden in the whole village. Thank you, but right now we can pull it out. I don't like getting dirty, but okay, I will have a little. Shall we let the mouse join the team, everyone? We did it! Yoo-hoo! The enormous turnip finally out! But you finally pull it out! It's enormous! I have cooked my pot is ready. Everyone worked together, once again hunting, cooking, and laughing. The smell of the cooked turnip filled the whole village. From this story, we learned that when people work together, even something that looks impossible can be done.
Untuk acara hari ini sangat bagus untuk anak-anak, untuk mengajarkan tentang kerjasama. Semoga anak-anak kedepannya akan jadi lebih baik. Terima kasih.
Halo, ya untuk assembly anak-anak hari ini temanya sangat bagus, yaitu tentang teamwork, di mana mereka berlatih untuk bekerja sama mulai dari hal-hal sederhana sampai hal-hal besar di kemudian hari. Lalu untuk acara assembly di Tujung Sari School, menurut saya sangat bermanfaat untuk melatih kedisiplinan anak, rasa tanggung jawab, dan terutama mental yang baik. Jadi bangga sama anak-anak, tampil dengan sangat bagus. Terima kasih.
Hello everyone, my name is Miss Trisna. I'm the homeroom teacher of P2A Benjamin Franklin. Today I would like to say thank you very much for all of our students to do hard work for today's assembly. You did amazing job, guys, and we are really proud of you. And also thank you for all of the parents who are coming today, and also for our amazing MC from P4A and also P3 students. Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Deo Ayu, co-teacher of P2A Benjamin Franklin. I would like to say thank you very much for all the students who did very great job at this assembly, and also I would like to thank you to all the parents who comes today. We are the teachers so proud of all of you guys, and we hope you can keep this work up and also did good job in every task at school. Bye!
Was a cheer.